Good morning. So we're on day, I guess, 2 of our vacation, and or 3, and we're heading out of the Moab Hotel. This was a Quality Inn. We actually stayed here when we were moving out to California with Mom and Dad and Chloe, and we enjoyed it. It was a really great hotel right here in downtown Moab. And I remember waking up because we drove in and couldn't see anything. It was dark when we got here. It was nighttime, and I remember waking up and seeing this huge mountain behind us. And I thought, whoa, that is so cool. And then when you go into the town, you notice that they are like surrounding the town, which is amazing. And when we were staying here, I remember we came over here to the village market to get some snacks and drinks and stuff. And it's just a short little walk from our hotel. Little stairs down there. It was right here. See all those beautiful mountains there in the distance. So yeah, lots of memories here, and it's a great town. Definitely recommend coming to Moab if you ever get out here to Utah. So we came across this little sign or mural painted on the side of a hotel here, and we had to grab some pictures. Greetings from Moab.
Oh, sorry.
Dale, isn't that the coolest thing? We got Stitchy. We're gonna do a TikTok. But yeah, how cool is that? You can see, so here's the Delicate Arch. I'm not sure if that's Canyonlands. Maybe this is Canyonlands over here. But that is so cool. They did a great job. All right, here we go. Day 3, right?
Yes, it is.
Of our vacation, and we're heading out of Moab. Probably said that earlier when we were at the hotel. But anyways, here we go. Oh, and there's a restaurant we didn't end up going to last night. But the one we went to was a lot of fun too.
It was good.
Yeah. Next stop, Vegas, baby.
Vegas.
There's those Skyliners again. They're working today.
They're moving?
I think so.
Doesn't look like it.
No, just kidding. They're not moving. The scenery around here is just amazing. Bye, Moab. Dale and I would definitely recommend Moab, right?
Definitely.
It is amazing.
If you're adventurous at all, for sure.
And even if you're not. Ooh,
Oh, yes.
ooh,
Nope,
trash. Trash in the road.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
But yes, even if you're not, you can drive around and see the scenery.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't have to do the trails and the hikes. You can
That's correct.
pull off the side and just see the pretties.
But yeah, actually, you're correct. There's something for everybody.
Yeah.
It's like Disney World.
That's right. That's right. I agree. It's like an arch right before you get into Arches National Park, right up top there. That's super cool. And here's the park.
Yeah, there's the entrance.
Here. There's a big bus going down the road. There it goes. Down the windy road. We're heading to Vegas, and it's what, 6.5 to 7 hours depending on traffic
Yes.
from Moab. So it's a little drive, but yeah, we're excited. See what kind of scenery and sights we see on the way. Mostly Utah, right? And then we'll get into Nevada
Yep.
eventually.
And it'll be going from all desolate areas to nothing but buildings
For Vegas,
and lights
yeah.
and everything else.
It's like out in the middle
From
of
one
nowhere,
extreme
right?
to the other.
Yeah. So I'm excited. I've never been to Vegas. Dale's been once, long time ago. Well, several years ago.
Yeah.
And so we'll see what they have to offer. So excited. And we have a couple other stops we're going to make too. So stay tuned for this. So one thing about driving out here to Moab is there is nothing for miles and miles. So plan your bathroom stops and your gas stops. But yeah, it's gorgeous though. The views are amazing. dips down from Utah into Arizona for just a little bit, and then we're gonna head into Nevada here in a little while. But there's been just these amazing mountains everywhere. Sometimes they're red rock, sometimes they're not. Really cool. All right, we just got into Nevada, and we have about a little over an hour to get to Vegas. There's already a casino over here. There where you can see the tall buildings, and over there is Vegas, which is so weird. Also a little dust tornado over there, which is so weird because, you know, in Florida you can't really see that far away.
It's 20 miles away still.
20 miles away, but we're almost there. All right, we're getting closer. You can see more of the tall buildings. Windshield was clean. That's what happens when you drive.
There's the stratosphere. We plan to go up in there.
Oh yeah, the one that looks like a needle. Yeah. Alright, we're here. And there is Paris, which is our hotel over there. This is Caesar's Palace. And don't worry, we're going to be checking it all out later. So here is the famous Las Vegas sign. We're going to go out there another time. There was quite a line right now, but that's still really cool. Alright, so we went down to check out the Vegas sign, and now we're driving right back down the strip. There's Mandalay Bay. It's a wedding chapel. So you can see the mountains in the background even. Here, let me zoom in. Busier and busier as you come down the street. There's the Luxor. GM Grand. I see New York. We're gonna stay there next. And the Paris. You can kind of see it down there, and that's where we're heading now. To our first hotel. Alright, we're here. Checked into our hotel, the Paris Hotel. Let's check it out. We're in a corner room all the way at the end on the 18th floor. So we'll check out the bathroom in a minute, but as you head in, we got a king size bed since it's just the two of us. It is very Parisian. I love it. And the carpet, pretty cool. I love that headboard. Oh, and this neat art over here. Paris. Cool little nightstands. A nice relaxing chair over here. And I'll show you the view in a minute. It's not the best view. We're kind of upset. Not upset, just disappointed, but that's okay. Hi, there's a little mirror you can get ready in. There's your desk where you edit your YouTube videos, of course. And nice little armoire, or whatever you want to call it over here. Has a TV in it. Some nice full-length mirrors. One has the fridge. Yep, this one has the safe, fridge, extra pillow, and then some, can't see them, but there's hangers where you can hang up some clothes in there. And then in here, I think it's just a closet. Yeah. Ironing board, more hangers. So nothing super fancy about the room, but you know, it's pretty cool. And then, oh, in the bathroom, we'll show you. It's kind of pretty. I like how they painted the mirror red. That's really cool. There's the sink. We've got some amenities here. And, oh, look at that picture. A mini Eiffel Tower with a big Eiffel Tower. Has a shower and a tub. So, can do either one. Very nice. And of course, the toilet. So there we go. Very simple. Oh, here, I'll show you the view. This way. Again, not the best view. Oh, here. Gotta shut the door. Shut the door. Do like that mirror and the lamp. It's a bigger room. I mean, it's not huge, but a little bit bigger than I thought it might be. So, we're not on the strip side. Actually, you can see the airport over there. But we can see the mountains. Ooh, dirty window too. Can see the mountains over there, which is really cool. And then there's the Hilton. The MGM Grand is right over there. And over here is New York, New York, where we're going to be staying next. And the Luxor too. So yeah, that's the strip right there. So we do have a little view of the strip, I guess. A little bit. But could have done with a little bit better view, but that's okay. But it is neat being on the 18th floor. So we came down here. It's called the Lynx Promenade. So it's like a little restaurant, shopping place. We found In-N-Out Burger. So we've already started eating.
Yes, we did.
It's good.
Yes,
it's
yummy.
Delicious. And we'll check out what else they have to offer. There's the Lynx Hotel, right? Or not Lynx. Yeah, the Lynx Hotel, right there.
Hope you enjoyed the video of us leaving Moab. And yes, I'm a walking billboard for Moab. And enjoy our little trip that we've had getting to Vegas. A little bit of preview of Vegas, our day 3. And be sure to come back and be ready to watch day 4, which is when we go to Hoover Dam and Oatman. And then after that, we come back to Vegas. Chloe's excited. Come back to Vegas. And then there's a lot more activities in Vegas. So if you like the video, be sure you like, subscribe, and be ready for all the other new videos coming out.
And leave us a comment also. We'll see you guys soon. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Also, Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at DisneyAtYourDoorstep.com. Also, if you would like to treat your family to a stay at a Disney Deluxe Villa for a fraction of the cost, go check out David's Vacation Club Rentals at dvcrequest.com/TV.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.